Taylor.
Hi.
You haven't seen her on here before because she's not a new character we're unlocking. However, she and I were gonna become super great friends, and then as soon as I moved to Aspen where she lived, she left me.
Okay, but I left you in good hands.
I'm just kidding.
Left you in good hands.
True. She came to Denver, added me to her and her friend's brunch reservation, and then told me she was leaving.
Oh, I forgot that's like where we first met you.
That's how it all happened.
And then it proceeded to get you drunk.
Yeah, she added me to her brunch reservation, sat me down, and was like, by the way, as soon as you move, I'm leaving. However, here are all of my friends, so you can have them. And they're my friends
Australia. Like it wasn't like a little place.
Oh yeah, it was sick. She's pretty cool and like did cool big things. Yeah, but we all miss her. But he's back for the weekend. So we're gonna go ski Highlands. Got some work done this morning, and now we're ready to grind the slopes.
Yeah, remind people how bad of a skier I am.
Well, yeah, are you gonna ski or snowboard?
I'm skiing.
Okay, cool.
Because it was second keep up.
Renee's out here and she's snowboarding. That's okay. We still love her. We still love snowboarders. Ready to ski. Ready to rip.
What kind of?
Drop the hip and let her rip.
What?
Should we hike the Highland Bowl?
Oh.
I'm just kidding. I just wanted to see your reaction. Here's the thing. I used to not be a lunch on the mountain girly, but when the food on the mountain is cheaper than the food in town, you just can't beat it. I'm now a lunch on the mountain girly. And now Taylor is too. Day 61 on Aspen Snowmass. We are finally racking up the days. Last year I got 80 days, so my goal for this year is to at least get one more, which I definitely can do. I think I can actually get 90 days if I like win every single day, which I don't know if that's gonna happen. How many days are you at?
48.
Oh, this is not.
Do I have any intention of getting any more?
No. No.
I'm a resort guy now. Or I'm a touring guy now.
You're backcountry. I know. Okay, so the thing is, that does not include any days I've done in the backcountry, or any days in Japan or Finland or Eldora. So therefore, I think it's pretty freaking good, you guys. Maybe if I was more of a homebody, I could actually get 100 days on Aspen Snowmass. We're going out to dinner tonight with a bunch of the gals and their boyfriends. Little boyfriend date night. Love it. And Taylor. She's got to meet all the boys, you know, and give her approval. We have a reservation at Campo de Fiori. And it's so much fun there. We went there for my birthday and I've gone there for other people's birthdays too. If you guys have like a party or a birthday and you're in Aspen, go there. Or honestly, like, even if you don't have an occasion, just go there. It's so much fun. It's this Italian restaurant in town, and I swear everyone that works there just wants to party because every time we go, we get like free shots. And it also has like fun bar area. So you can also just grab a drink like when you're going out, but it's always rowdy. My friend Liz actually went there one time for a bachelorette dinner, and she said by the end of the night she was sliding across tables on her stomach. So I'm excited for tonight. Cooper picked my outfit out for dinner tonight. He kind of slayed.
I know I did.
What?
I know.
And before we get dinner, we're gonna go find a cute spot to get a drink first.
You've never been here before.
I've never been right there. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. I've been wanting to go.
I found out, I've lived here for 24 years and I found out it existed last week.
Oh,
no, like 2 months ago.
Good for her. Elena. Just kidding. It was completely full. Literally not one single seat. So
There's one, I saw one single seat.
oh, attempt number 2 for drinks. Ooh. Next stop, Campo.
Next stop, Campo. I'm gonna get a glass of wine, probably some pasta. Can't go wrong.
Can't go wrong.
Nah.
Yes, it is Saturday night. Dark out, not the morning. We're not early birds today. I actually stayed home all day, got some work done, and honestly, just cuddled up in my bed to vibe because I just wanted a lazy but productive Saturday, I guess you could say. Based off my outfit, can you tell what I'm doing? I'm just kidding. It's night skiing tonight on Aspen Mountain. So a bunch of my friends are night skiing, and then the rest of them are already out. Keep calling me to hit the town. I just haven't got my booty going just yet. But Cooper just texted me that he's about to go skiing now, so I'm gonna go meet him at Hamilton, go skiing, maybe see some of my friends on the mountain, and then we'll see where the night takes us. Hey!
Hello.
What are you gonna ski on tonight?
Skis, those ones.
Skinny longs?
Straight skis.
Straight skis. Okay, Coop. Show me the skis. Skinny minis?
Skinny winnies. Straight skis. They don't carve.
They don't carve at all?
That's a fact. They're from the 80s. In the wrapper. Got a big day today. Also, yesterday, I didn't start my day with a coffee, and I think that's the reason that I didn't want to leave the house or get out of bed all day. One more thing. Before I have my coffee every morning, I chug a glass of water. Sometimes I put electrolytes in it, typically only if I need them. But I think that's really important because I used to just drink the coffee, and then I would have so much unnecessary anxiety, literally for no reason, and I couldn't pinpoint like where it was coming from. And then I realized it was just because I would start my day with drinking coffee on an empty stomach. And then I started chugging water because we live at 8,000 feet, and all of a sudden my whole world changed. Make sure you drink your water, kids. I'm also really bad at like drinking it throughout the day, so I just had to chug. But okay, so today is a busy day because my favorite place to eat, my favorite breakfast spot on Aspen Mountain is having a party today. And Taylor's in town. She just got to Aspen, and we're all gonna meet there and then go skiing for a little bit, maybe get breakfast, ski a little bit more, and then go to the Bonnie's Bash. I am pumped because I've never gotten to go to this before, and it's retro themed. So we have to get a little creative with what we're wearing. And then to make my day even busier, I thought that my parents were coming to town tomorrow. They're driving here from Minnesota for a few days, and they called me yesterday and told me they're coming tonight. So this place is a mess. Tee-hee. And they're staying here while Cooper and I stay with his mom. So we have to deep clean this place. Cooper is also going to Bonnie's Bash. And he's working at Hamilton. So we're gonna have to clean it later tonight when we're both drunk. I think. A deep clean drunk sesh. I think it's gonna be fun. Maybe it'll be a party in here. Anywho, let's get ready to go. Let's go skiing. I know this isn't super retro. It's like a vintage theme party, but what do we think? I did get this at a vintage shop, so maybe it's like a fun hat. Option 1. I'm not loving it. This is option 2. That's kind of sick, honestly. With some sunnies. Oh, this looks good. And I'll be like, my lady. Hi, Cooper.
Thank you very much for nice of you.
Breakfast, 1 piece of bacon.
Breakfast.
Just one. Is it gonna be a good one? Probably fucking not. Sorry, can I curse in your videos?
You can do whatever you want.
I can do whatever.
Here,
we're on Aspen. We're not the rich and bougie, but we are the fun and frisky. So
way better.
We're actually what brings the vibes.
We are.
Aspen.
We're what makes it what it is.
Yeah.
I mean, after a long legacy
okay, to be fair, we did just like fuck it up at Bonnie's. It was my first time ever at Bonnie's.
Really? How was your experience? Rate it.
It's 10 out of 10.
Okay, if you were gonna say anything else, I was gonna get really upset.
No. I danced like I've never danced before. You can hear the music. See, actually, they're not having as much fun anymore. Because why?
Because we're not there.
No, but like I say that with all sincerity because look, the crowd, it's okay, but the crowd with us, we try to.
Okay, let's go ski.
Don't miss me too much.
Jackie! Cooper and I are going out for date night.
Dinner. Hungry.
Starving.
Me. Hungry. Now.
We're gonna try to get into White House. It has the best chicken sandwich and the best burger, but
In America.
in America ever, actually. We'll see if we get in. I'll keep you updated. Good news, guys. We got in.
We got it?
We got into White House.
Oh yeah. We got in the White House.
Yeah, we got in the White House. Cheers! What you looking at?
I won.